All right, it's Ielts speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you some questions. How often do you have a haircut?
Recently, I take the haircut.
Just a second. I'm not asking you when did you have your last haircut. My question is how often do you have a haircut? So you can say, I usually have a haircut once a month, or I usually have a haircut after every 2 to 3 months. So how often means frequency. So you need to target frequency. I ask you again, how often do you have a haircut?
Yeah, I take the haircut for last week.
No, again you're telling me the past time. How
Okay.
often do you means present time? How often do, if you ask me, how often do you have a haircut? I usually have a haircut
I
after two
usually.
weeks because I have to come in front of camera and all that. So usually after 2 weeks, I go to my barber and there I have a lovely haircut. So to answer your question, twice a month I have my haircut. First I said 2 weeks, then I said twice a month.
Okay.
Okay, this language is very simple, but it'll
Mm-hmm.
bring you very good bench score.
Yes.
Now, let's go on. How long have you had your current hairstyle?
Recently, my current hairstyle of short steps.
See, you're starting your answer with recently, which is not appropriate. The question is, how long have you had your current hairstyle?
My
I have
current.
had my current hairstyle for 3 years. For example, means
Okay.
this style, I have had my current hairstyle for 1 year. Before that, I used to have short hair, but now I have this hair, this style. So to answer your question, I have had my current hairstyle for approximately 3 years. Means कितने अरसे से ये style चल रहा है? This is the
Okay.
question, okay? And don't start every answer with recently. This thing shows you are only communicating with words.
Okay.
All right. Have you ever had an unhappy haircut? Yeah, like Yasin Dovari takla atta si.
No.
Yeah. Have you ever had unhappy haircut?
No, I have not any experience of unhappy haircut. I go the salon.
I went to
I
salon.
went to
I
salon.
usually go to the salon. Yeah.
I go to the salon and take different haircut, but not this.
Okay, now listen, you will focus. Have you ever had unhappy haircut? Yes, I remember I went to a different barber a couple of years ago and he didn't understand my hairstyle and he cut my hair in an odd way and after that I looked so strange. So I was very unhappy with that. So to answer your question, I had one unpleasant haircut experience. Unpleasant and unhappy.
Unhappy.
Okay? Yeah. Okay. Uh, one last question. Do you like your current hairstyle?
Yeah, I like.
Whenever they say, do you like, you say, oh, I love.
Uh,
And yeah is not good word. Yeah mean aho, aho, ha. Yeah? So you should say G. G is
G.
yes.
Yes.
Right? So, do you like your current hairstyle?
Yes, I like the current
I like
hairstyle.
my current hairstyle.
Yes, I like my current hairstyle. I like it. I like. I do the step haircuts,
Okay.
and I like this.
I like it very much. Now,
I
what you're
like.
doing, you're communicating with very limited language. If you say second time, I like, that means you come into four band category. So be careful. Don't worry, it's first time.
Yeah.
Gradually, you'll be fine. Okay? Your turn. Come on. Area you live in. Do you like the area you live in? Michael, thoda niche kar le. Yes, please. Thank you.
Yes, I love my neighborhood because it's clean, neat, and green, and it's beautiful. And secondly, the thing, my mart is nearby, almost 2 to 3 minutes walk. So whenever I want to eat some chocolate or anything I need, I can get easily.
Okay, this is very good, but don't use and after every sentence. You can say additionally, moreover, furthermore. All right, you've got the potential. Let's go on. What are some changes in your area recently?
Uh, Actually, there are some changes. Some sort of night cafes are opened recently in my area,
Good.
where I like to go to enjoy musical nights, gigs, and food and tea. Especially in winter nights, it's lovely to have these types of cafes
Okay, this
near
is
in
good. Yeah,
nearby.
gradually you'll be fine. Let's go on. Do you know any famous people in your area?
Actually, I know few famous bloggers which live nearby my area, but I am looking forward to collaborate with them.
To
But
collaborating with them.
to collaborating with them, but it's difficult to contact them.
Okay, so to answer your question, yes, there are
So
some
there are
famous
some.
vloggers who reside in the same area. Conclusion, one sentence conclusion. Okay, where do you like to go in your area, or what's your favorite place in your area? Now talk about one place only.
Basically, favorite place is Emporium Mall, which is just 5 kilometers away from my home, and I go almost twice a week there to shop or watch a movie or to enjoy food.
All right, this is good. Now, to shop, to watch a movie, to enjoy food, avoid this type of structure. I go there, I come here, I learn English, I learn Spanish. This is what we call repetition of the same thing. So avoid that. Your English is good. You just need to organize your answers accordingly, and then they'll be wonderful, right?
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.